May I call on stage Sofia May Perez. Please give a hand. Okay, another second honors, Charles Avril Panga. Second honors, they are 7. Okay, another second honors, Jason Opeña Jr. Will Andre Ortiz. Francesca Gabriel Manlambus. And the other one is Alcy Rain Julio Ambas for second honors. Okay, now for Winwin, where are you? Winwin, wala pa. Okay, for first honors. Okay, for the first time, for those who got an average 94 and above, we have 8 honors here. First, Angel Micah Altoveros. Please give a hand. Okay, next, Cassie Angeline Berganyo. Next, Lian Aquiles Diamante. Wow. Okay. Next, first honors, Jackie Lou Gianan. Where is Jackie Lou? Naka-sunglass siya ngayon. Okay, next, Zane Zivera Gonzalez. Okay, for first honors, also Sergio Landicho III. Okay, next, first honors, Kenneth Angelo E. Caritos. Please give a hand.